we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're looking at the DeLonghi Eletta ASINB07NV2L9TL, a fully automatic espresso machine, right? It's described as renewed, which is something to keep in mind. Seems pretty fancy, though.
Right, and then we've got the Nespresso Gran Lattissima, ASINB0CG8VN66J, also by DeLonghi but branded Nespresso. Looks a bit sleeker, maybe more modern. And it's brand new, not renewed.
Yeah, let's dive in. Coffee lovers, get ready. So the Eletta boasts a patented automatic cappuccino system. They say it delivers barista-quality drinks like cappuccino, latte macchiato, even a flat white, in under 3 minutes. That sounds amazing, especially since it can do 2 cups at once.
The Gran Lattissima also focuses a lot on milk drinks with its one-touch milk frother. It uses Nespresso capsules, and they highlight the same great taste despite a new look. So both cater to latte and cappuccino lovers, but in different ways.
The Eletta can brew 2 cups simultaneously using either coffee beans or pre-ground coffee. That's a big plus for flexibility. And it has an integrated silent grinder with 13 adjustable settings, so you can really dial in your grind.
The Gran Lattissima uses Nespresso original line capsules, brewing a 1.35 ounces espresso. So no grinding, but you're locked into the Nespresso ecosystem. It does come with a variety pack of capsules: Capriccio, Roma, Levanto, Arpeggio, Ristretto, to get you started and find your favorite.
The Eletta is user-friendly with a touch control panel, a front-loading water tank, and it even has automatic cleaning programs, including descaling. Plus, they say most removable parts are dishwasher safe, which is a huge time saver.
The Gran Lattissima is also easy to clean, and customers appreciate its straightforward manual. The top review mentions how easy it is to make a latte compared to a traditional espresso machine, but it sounds like you have to clean the frother after each use. The Eletta is quite a bit bigger, with product dimensions of 14.16 deep, 10.2 wide, and 18.36 high, and it weighs over 24 pounds, so it's a commitment to counter space.
True, the Gran Lattissima seems more compact. No specific dimensions listed, but it's clearly designed for smaller kitchens. One thing I noticed is the Eletta has a double boiler system and electronic temperature control, plus a 15-bar pump. That sounds like it can really pull a good shot of espresso and maintain the right temperature.
The Gran Lattissima customers have mixed feelings about the milk temperature, with some wishing it was hotter. So that double boiler might make a real difference for the Eletta if you prefer a scorching hot latte.
Yeah, that's a good point. If you really want hot milk and precise control, the Eletta might be the better bet.
It seems like the Eletta is more of a hands-on, bean-to-cup experience for coffee purists, while the Gran Lattissima is all about the convenience and consistency of capsules.
Exactly. It really comes down to personal preference, how much counter space you have, and whether you prefer fresh beans or the Nespresso pod system. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.